Hi, my name is Tineo. I'm a travel content creator. If you want to see these videos and more, go over to my Mozambique vlogs and watch that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you, honeys. These are 10 things or a few things that you need to know when you are going to Mozambique.
So you're going to Mozambique, you're gonna need a few tips. Here are 10 things, or here are some things that I would say to you about being in Mozambique. My name is Dineo of Dinden's Adventures, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Your meds. You need to start 48 to 24 hours before you come here taking your meds. These are mosquito medications to make sure even if you do get bitten, you don't get malaria. Obviously you're gonna wear long clothes, but Mozambique is humid and sunny, so not really practical. And if you're wearing knitted clothes, they will have an avenue into your body, so take your meds. The tip would be Mozambican or speak Portuguese. Better yet, speak Shangane. If none of that is gonna work for you, learn at least how to say hello, this is what I need, bye bye, thank you, and please don't overcharge me even though I'm a tourist.
Good morning. Good morning. Ooh. I just left my house. Bonet's still on. It's literally like 4 o'clock in the morning. Leaving in the wee hours of the morning is the best way to actually make sure you get there without being delayed by traffic. This is a 7-hour journey and you're trying to make it in as little time as possible. We drove the Suzuki Swift. Amazing form on it. Don't forget to rest and eat, then drive. Rest, eat, and drive. That is your formula. You'll get there. Hey guys, officially touched down in Mozambique. Y'all see that? Have you ever seen, someone is just like literally coughing in my vlog. Have you ever seen this one? This one? Is it there in Sada? You're lying. Maka Meru. Am I not being annoying? Am I not being annoying? So we're just on the N4 still. We're gonna go drive to Maputo. The border, right? And you are crossing over at the border. You need to be aware that you need to get a letter from your insurance to say that you have comprehensive insurance that they can fit you in Mozambique if you get stuck. Number 2, if your car is under finance, you need to get a pre-approval letter from your financer to say that they know about the journey and it is okay. Those 2 things, you also, after you get your passport stamped in the Mozambican side, you then go to a different desk and you get more documents. Those documents are going to make your life so much easier when you are in Mozambique. Please don't forget to get the documents at the actual border gates, okay?
I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way.
We have the same brands as us, okay, More Engine, Osaso, everything, Pep, Mr. Price, every single thing that you can think about is there.
If you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
I personally feel like F&B in South Africa, they don't love us. We are waiting for the transaction to process. Mozambique is meticals. One metical is actually 35 South African cents. So our currency is stronger, but essentially you are paying the same amount for everything in Mozambique. Keep around 200 rand when you are going there so you can pay for the toll gates going into the country, but other than that you don't need any more money than that. You can withdraw from ATMs inside the country. FNB guys, abscess that apparently have it over there. Absolute must. You need to do the city side tour, okay? You need to do it. I'm gonna plug you right now on the screen with the person who directed our tour. Look here, he took us all over. We get very comfortable very quickly. It is like Johannesburg CBD in the main town of Maputo from some parts, but it's absolutely beautiful. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. So you do actually pay him as a tip, so you do determine how much you want to pay him. But they do suggest on the website that you don't pay anything less than about 200-250 rand, which would probably be about 300 rand now due to inflation. Google Lens is your best friend. It will translate any language that is available on the software into English, so you guys can actually understand. Which was fantastic. Please get Google Lens. Download your Google Maps before you get to the country, before you start your journey, and you can start roaming on Vodacom and see if that works out for you. All right. To be on the safe side and to be on the safe side of health, we actually bought bottled water, and that's what we drank the whole trip. And surprise, surprise, we were very dehydrated. Be it that you're doing Maputo Beach Club, or you are actually in Katembe on Diego, or you are in Bilene actually just chilling at San Martino Beach Club, please don't forget to have fun and enjoy it. Don't forget to go past Makanete Beach. Very, very beautiful, secluded, quiet. There is a toll gate associated with it, but you will not regret it, okay? Just a few minutes of peace and just beautiful blue waters. Tip number 10 would probably be, for the most part, Maputo is actually just an urban city with people that are living and going to work. So be mindful of how you dress. You can dress really bougie, that is okay as well. If you book a hotel at a hotel like Southern Sun in Maputo, you would actually be very close to the mall. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know how to get around using public transport, but it does seem very easy. I actually used my private car, and honey, if that is not a tip you got out of this video, drive, rent a car from Ava's, get your driver's license, drive, honey, drive. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next vlog.